Okay, today we're going to talk about Earth-Sun relationships. First, we're going to discuss the Earth's tilt. As the Earth revolves around the Sun, it's tilted 23.5 degrees at an angle in relation to the Sun itself. Because of the different parts of the Earth receiving the direct rays of the Sun at different times of the day and different times of the year, it causes the change in seasons and in our weather. So our Earth-Sun relationships basically boil down to our seasonal changes and how different parts of the planet have different types of vegetation, sunlight, and climate and weather. The first thing we're going to go over after Earth's tilt is the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. These are markers either farthest north or south that the sun's rays directly shine upon overhead at noon. The Tropic of Cancer or at the Tropic of Capricorn at noon, the sun's rays are going to be directly overhead, meaning they're shining straight down onto you. These are the perfect points in the north and south of our planet that get the best direct sunlight at noon. Now we're going to discuss what a solstice is. A solstice is a day at which the sun shines directly overhead, meaning that in the summer solstice is the longest day of the year. It has the most amount of sunshine. And in the winter, it is the shortest because we have the least amount of direct sunshine. So it's the shortest day. An equinox is the seasonal change that happens twice a year when the days and the nights all over the world are in equal length. So only 2 times a year, every single place all over the planet has the same amount of nighttime and the same amount of daytime. So they mark either the beginning of spring or the beginning of autumn. So solstice is our longest and shortest day, and equinox are our equal 2 times a year equal days that mark seasons changing to spring and seasons changing to autumn. And our tropics of Cancer and Capricorn are our northmost and our southernmost points on the planet, which the sun is able to hit directly with all of its light at noon. Now we're going to watch a video by Mr. Parr, aka our favorite 5 Themes of Geography rapper, to learn more about seasons and Earth-Sun relationships. Okay, so as you can see on this diagram, it's going over exactly what we've already spoken about and what Mr. Parr's video was saying, that as the seasons occur, it is because of our rotation and our tilt as we move around the sun. So the different points of the year and the day that the sun is hitting us, it changes how our planet reacts, whether it's with weather or climate or the amount of sunlight daytime versus the amount of nighttime we have. Let's talk global warming and greenhouse gases real quick. Global warming is the accelerated heating of the Earth. The greenhouse effect is the layer of gases that are released by the burning of coal and oil that traps the solar energy that normally is absorbed by the planet, causing higher temperatures. So basically, the sun normally sends its solar rays to Earth. Some are absorbed, but usually most are released back into space. Because of our burning of fossil fuels and oils and coal, it creates kind of this trap for the sun's rays to stay in. So even though our planet normally gets heated by the sun, we are overheating it ourselves. So think of like a sauna. This is what the greenhouse effect is doing. We're already in a warm place, and then we're turning up the heat even more by adding literal coals to the fire. Here is another image showing how the greenhouse effect works. Sun's rays come down, some escape, while others are trapped underneath that cloud layer in the atmosphere due to our burning of gases and CO2 and coal. This was your really quick Earth-Sun relationships lesson notes. Remember to take a look at the notes provided, the other videos provided. Take your time. Good luck with your activities today.